Ka National Health Mission da ka bai snohkti langbat kari baroh kawei Rkc nyngkong kala pynlong da ka jingiaiad paidbah kumsi bynta ban Rkc Rakhe kyrpang da ka bynta ka koit ka khiah ni ka wall health de ni ka jingiaiad paidbah lawan banisi bynta da ki khana school ki samla puli nos bat ki paidbah blas dang nadu di nam hall je ya hotel tel sedu mot pan bat penkut pat how to sing hall ni ka jingiaiad paidbah la den ru jingra ki jingtho berta.
The child should be given this vaccine even if he or she has already been given the MMR vaccine earlier. MR vaccine is very safe and does not cause any severe side effects. The children will be vaccinated by a trained health worker. Ensure your participation in this campaign.
Habai keren bot Dr. MR Basemai ubade District Medical Health Officer chong RiKhasi District ulai thu ba ka pynlong ya kani ka jingiaiad paidbah kalongkum ka khubor ban pensung thu segi paidbah ba kinwan sakhmat pan pha sumaril de ha ka por ba biang shu ulo ongru ba ki paidbah la da kisim khiah ya ka jingiaiad kin lai ru il de na ki jingpang ba fer ki bodon ha ka bet ka jongki pat kin la ban sumar ha ka por ba biang
World Health Day mutaw snem arja khat kandai ka universal coverage for everyone everywhere. Kemudian Rakhe kan ini World Health Day. Buat pertemuan kita paidbah bah health is wealth. Ia perlu kami ya kini ka penjingalang penyiat rally. Buat kita plakat lamba kita kena school baper, school baper. Plus ni don kini kena puri nursing atat. Lamba a central program bagi kot kan national program for control and prevention of cardiovascular disease, stroke, diabetes, etc. Kalau don't lupa, belayat bun senang apa mereka. Terlebih kan dengan tenak juga health, ia mud pun subscription paidbah, kakubar baka health is wealth, and gubernur kibrio baki lawan wan cakman, ban sim ban wat elade, bah lamba ki jing test nam kan kita, seperti jing pam baki lawan don hakamet, kena baki lawan sim ki lawan yada. Because nilai tip ba ladon ka shift ha ka jingpang ba naru mencuat ki brio ki yo kambo ni kini khot bagi communicable disease muta pan ka sarkar kala khamban haki non communicable disease kum ki diabetes ki hypertension pat ki stroke to kani program ni ko ban pun aji kai ki paidbah ba kumno ki disease ba fer ki don apa kani ka program bat kumno ki na banwat ki lat banyata ni